Zoom in here. Yeah. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen. I love this recipe. It's basically like a burrito, but in a bowl. It takes about 30 minutes to make and it's super yummy. So for this recipe, we're gonna be using a handful of ingredients. We have some chicken breasts, a little bit of olive oil, some pre-cooked quinoa. If you don't have quinoa, some rice is great. Some microgreens, broccoli. Also, you can use some cauliflower or another starchy vegetable that you may have on hand if broccoli is not available to you. Some pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, any sort of nut or seed that you have on hand is a perfect swap for this. A little bit of salt, and of course our edamame green goddess. You can find our edamame green goddess on havenskitchen.com or at a store near you. You can just visit our store locator. For this recipe, we only need a parchment-lined sheet tray and our oven. So before we get going, like and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. So step one for this recipe is make sure that your oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And make sure it's really hot. We don't want the broccoli to steam. We want to get a nice char. So we're going to grab our broccoli and we're going to get a nice glug of olive oil in there. It's about a glug. All right, so we will now add a little bit of salt, a pinch. I like it a little salty. And about a quarter pouch of our edamame green goddess. Get back to tossing. Get them nicely evenly coated. We want to get all that flavor onto every little broccoli floret. It's gonna be good. Great. Now that everything's nice and evenly coated, we're gonna put the broccoli on half of this baking sheet. Make sure that it's evenly spaced out. We always wanna make sure that our pan is not crowded. If we don't give the broccoli enough space, it'll just steam. And nobody likes mushy vegetables. In that same bowl, because we don't want more dishes than necessary, we're gonna add our chicken. Again, some salt, olive oil, and about a quarter pouch of the edamame green goddess. And we're gonna toss that again real well, just like we did the broccoli. Make sure it's nice and even. Make sure we get that oil in all the little crevices. And we're gonna put these babies right here. In the meantime, let's get our quinoa ready. So we'll take our pre-cooked quinoa and we're going to add a little bit of edamame green goddess. I recently learned the importance of layering flavors. Make sure that once everything is done and we get that final bite, that there is just flavor in every single bite that you take. So we'll take a little bit of that edamame green goddess and we will mix it up. Oh yeah. You know what? You can never have too much. Perfect. I always take things out of the oven to the side because my grandmother told me that I could fall face forward and die, so do that for safety. Let's make sure that this chicken is ready. So we're gonna take our meat thermometer, stick it into the thickest side of the chicken, and watch the temperature. 161, 60, oh, there we go, 165. We're gonna slice up our chicken now so that we can get this bowl ready to eat. So we're gonna slice this chicken at an angle. So we can see that the chicken is really juicy. Look, if we just zoom in here. Yeah. Look at that. Nice and juicy. Because nobody wants rubbery chicken. So I'm gonna move this out of the way and get us ready so that we can plate this and finally eat. I'm gonna create this base. Pretty. So these pumpkin seeds, again, like sunflower seeds would be fantastic on this. I like a crunch, so. And a little bit of edamame green goddess. So look, we haven't even used the whole pouch, and this is gonna easily give us like 5 meals. All right, guys. So good. If you want to make this recipe at home, you can find it in the link below. So again, this recipe took us less than 30 minutes, and you can really make any weeknight dinner super easy with any of our sauces. If you are interested in getting our edamame green goddess, you can buy us online at havenskitchen.com or check out our store locator to find us in a store near you. Again, my name is Courtney. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. Comment below with any questions you might have, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.